back to Fox and Friends. It's already cold here in New York. It really is.
Yes, it is. So if you have an outdoor space, now is the time to maximize it for those very long winter months.
Skip Bedell is here to show us how. Skip.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Thanks so much for having me back.
Morning.
So yeah, we're coming into fall and winter. It's a great time to put all of your summer stuff away, as much as we hate to do it, right? What better to do that with than with a shed? So Tough Shed, the nation's #1 leading shed building company, available at every Home Depot. So if you want to get a shed, you walk into Home Depot, you pick out the one that you like. Tough Shed delivers it right to your house, and installation is included in the price. So they give you a super quality shed. But what I love most about these sheds is that they're built just like they're named Tough. They build them like a house. Insulated windows. You see we got a heavy duty ramp you can roll your mowers up on. Watch this. The hardware is so strong. 500-pound rated hinges. I mean, I'm 240, but not 500. But so super strong. This is the way to go.
We can do 2 Skip Bedells on there.
That's right. 2 Skip Bedells. Imagine that. There's only one.
There's only one. That's true.
So Tough Shed, and now listen. This is the way to go. Again, Home Depot. They come in many different sizes. As you can see, we have another one over there. These are 8x12s. It's a ranch-style shed. We're gonna do something fun today, though, guys. We're gonna do something really fun. I have something great in store for you. We have 2 hours between segments. We're going to come back later in the show. I'm going to take the guys. Allison, my wife, is going to take Rachel, and we have one other person who's going to help out. Okay. It's going to be a she shed versus a he shed build-off.
Is that a spa shed? Is that a spa shed?
Empty sheds
so right now. They're empty.
So look.
What's a she shed?
Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to build
That's what she said.
So we're going to use products like this, like Barron designs. So look at how lightweight this is. Lift this up. It's a stone panel, but they're made out of high-density foam. These are amazing. In fact, I'm putting this in my house right now. It's a simulated barn wood. They make these faux beams that you see hanging on people's ceilings. Oh, yeah. But they're made out of foam. They're amazing.
That's amazing.
So today we're going to be building out the he shed and the she shed. If you look inside, you can see a little bit of the stone wall on the he shed. I don't want to show you too much. Barron Designs makes these great products. Right now, skip 20. You get 20% off through Black Friday week at all the Barron Designs on barrondesigns.com on their website. So check that out.
But Skip, you're not explaining. Why would I need a she shed?
Well, listen, sheds are great to put your tools in and all your storage, but because these are built so well, Tough Shed builds them like a house. You could have your hangout, a place to go and do your artwork. You want to drink wine. You want to have your coffee bar. You want to read a book. You want to be like left alone from the world.
Oh, it's like a little escape house.
It's a hideaway.
I actually need that.
Google she shed. It's like
oh my God, I've never heard of this
It's
concept.
a massive trend right now, she sheds. So we're going to have fun today.
So it's like I could have a family but not be with them.
That's right. Yes. You can get away from all the kids, and you can go hang out in your she shed.
Okay.
It's a dream.
I'm down
so
with
today
it.
Where's Mom?
We're making a man cave, and you're going to make a she shed, all right? And we'll see you back in 2 hours. We're going to have a lot of fun.
You keep saying that 5 times fast, and I feel like there's going to be a mistake.
She shed?
She shed.
Yeah, be careful with that.
Oh, and to get it straight now, she can design it however she wants. She can go with any of these lightweight.
Well, so we have a bunch of different products to choose from. Okay, we already started putting some stone up in the guy's shed.
A little bit of stone.
I like the beam.
I have all sorts of furnishings from HomeDepot.com. We got all kinds of cool stuff. Wait till you see what we're going to do today.
I love it.
It's going to be great.
I'm going to get to work right now.